Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best that is probably one of the most essential tools for any home cook or professional chef. This video will dive deep into why the Thermoworks Dot is a game changer in the kitchen. We'll explore its features, how it enhances your cooking, and why it's a must-have for anyone serious about achieving perfectly cooked meals every time. Get ready to elevate your culinary game. Number 5. ThermoPro TP16 Digital Cooking Thermometer. This is the ThermoPro TP16, a digital cooking thermometer designed for perfect results. It's ideal for meat, ovens, smokers, and stovetops, ensuring your food is cooked to perfection. The thermometer comes with USDA preset temperatures for various foods. You can also customize these settings to your liking, making it easy to achieve your desired level of doneness. It also features a built-in timer with both countdown and count-up capabilities. This timer can run for up to 99 hours and 59 minutes, perfect for any cooking task. The probe and wire are built to withstand high temperatures, up to 716 degrees Fahrenheit. It offers a wide temperature range with high accuracy, ensuring reliable readings every time. With its step-down tip probe and long cable, it's easy to get accurate readings. The magnetic back and hanging hole provide convenient storage options in your kitchen. The ThermoPro TP16 is NSF certified, guaranteeing its food safety and quality. This certification ensures that the product is safe and environmentally friendly. What we like. This thermometer offers preset temperatures recommended by the USDA, ensuring your food is cooked to perfection. It also features a convenient timer mode for precise cooking. If you're looking for a reliable and safe thermometer with pre-programmed settings, this is a great choice. What people say. The large LCD screen is a standout feature. It's incredibly easy to read from a distance, which is perfect when you're juggling multiple dishes or just want to check on your meal without opening the smoker or oven too often. The clarity of the display, even in low light, ensures you never miss the exact temperature of your food. The accuracy of this thermometer is spot on. It comes with USDA preset temperature settings for various meats, which is a huge help for those new to cooking or anyone who wants to ensure their meat is cooked to the recommended level. You can also customize these settings to match your taste preferences, which I've found very useful for achieving the perfect doneness. The inclusion of a timer function is another thoughtful addition. It's great for not only monitoring meat temperatures but also for timing side dishes or ensuring your meal is ready all at once. The alarm feature alerts you when your food reaches the set temperature, which means no more overcooked meals. Number 4. ThermoPro TP19H Instant Read Meat Thermometer. This thermometer features a large, auto-rotating backlit display. It's perfect for both left-handed users and for use in low-light conditions. The display rotates 180 degrees, making it easy to read from any angle. The device uses motion sensing to save battery. It turns on and off automatically when the probe is opened or closed. It also wakes up when picked up and sleeps when set down. This meat thermometer is IP65 waterproof, making it easy to clean under running water. It also has a magnetic back and a hang hole for convenient storage. You can place it on any metal surface or hang it on a hook. Get a temperature reading in just 3 to 4 seconds with this instant read thermometer. It has a highly accurate reading to within plus or minus 0.9 degrees. The probe is made of food-grade stainless steel. The thermometer features a lock function to hold the temperature on the display. This allows you to read the temperature away from the heat. It also has a calibration function to ensure accurate readings over time. What we like. With its auto-rotating backlit display, this thermometer is perfect for any user, especially in low-light conditions. The motion sensing feature conserves battery life. If you are looking for a fast and easy-to-use thermometer, this is the one for you. What people say. The temp reading is fast, and is reversible on the screen in the event that I change hands. The backlight stays on for a good 15 seconds, which I really need, being old and slow. This thermometer provides exceptionally accurate temperature readings with remarkable speed. Number 3. Meter Plus, Smart Wireless Meat Thermometer. This is the Meter Plus, a smart wireless meat thermometer trusted by experts. It's been recommended by top publications for perfect results every time. This device takes the guesswork out of cooking. Cook with complete freedom indoors and outdoors. The long-range Bluetooth allows you to monitor your cooking progress from your smartphone or tablet. The free app is available for both iOS and Android devices. The stylish bamboo block not only charges the meter probe but also acts as a repeater. This ensures your wireless meat thermometer is always ready to use, and keeps the connection strong. Keep it close for the best connectivity. This meat thermometer has dual temperature sensors to monitor both internal meat and ambient temperatures. This helps you achieve the perfect level of doneness, and it's also dishwasher safe. No calibration or maintenance is required. The app's guided cook system walks you through each stage of cooking. You can set custom alerts and notifications, and the algorithm estimates cooking times. It takes the stress out of meal planning. Whether grilling, roasting, smoking, or baking, Meter ensures perfectly cooked meat. The app provides real-time alerts, so you can relax and enjoy time with family and friends while it does the work. Give the ultimate grilling and cooking experience with the Meter Plus. It's a must-have gift for anyone who loves perfectly cooked meat. It's always on the list for top grilling gifts. What we like. This wireless thermometer offers complete freedom with its wire-free design, allowing you to monitor your food from a distance. It has dual sensors to monitor both meat and ambient temperatures. If you like to have the most advanced features and the freedom to move around while cooking, this is the best choice. What people say. It easily connects using Bluetooth and the Meter cloud through your router. When a done temperature preference is set in the app for a cook, the app will let you know when the food is done, and allow for a resting period when the temperature will increase. This probe works well to monitor food inside any oven and even in cookers like the Ninja Speedy, Ninja grills, and pressure cookers. Number 2. ThermoPro TP20 Wireless Meat Thermometer. Tired of being tethered to your grill? This wireless thermometer uses radio frequency technology for a strong, stable connection up to 500 feet away. It allows you to monitor your food's temperature from a distance. Forget complicated setups. This meat thermometer requires no app or synchronization. The receiver clearly displays temperatures with a built-in backlight, making it simple to use. Need a timer for your cook? This device features both count-up and countdown timers, perfect for any dish. The receiver will alert you when the time is up or the temperature is reached. Achieve restaurant quality results every time. It comes with USDA recommended temperature settings for various meats and doneness levels. You can also customize the settings to your preference. This thermometer features 2 food-grade stainless steel probes for accurate readings. The step-down tip design provides fast and precise temperature monitoring, up to 716 degrees Fahrenheit. What we like. This thermometer boasts an impressive 500 feet remote range, ensuring a strong and stable connection. It also has a hassle-free setup, with no need for synchronization or app downloads. If you want a reliable and long-range thermometer for your grilling or smoking needs, you should consider this. What people say. Controlling your grill's temperature is crucial to turning out great food. With the ThermoPro, I was able to quickly tune and stabilize the Weber's temperature to that range. Works as intended. Easy to set up, use, clean. The settings and alarms are easy to set and the accuracy is good. Always makes a perfect steak. Number 1. ThermoPro TP17 Dual Probe Meat Thermometer. This smoker thermometer alerts you if the grill's temperature goes outside your set range. It will flash and beep to let you know when to add more fuel. The high-low temp alarm is perfect for smokers, grills, and BBQs. It monitors 2 meats or the grill temperature at once. This device includes USDA preset temperatures, but you can also adjust the temperature manually. This feature makes cooking easier. The large display shows food, oven, grill, and smoker temperatures, along with a timer. The backlight makes it easy to see the temperature in any lighting. This provides an intuitive experience. The oven thermometer is accurate to within ±1.8 degrees Fahrenheit, quickly alerting you to temperature changes. It can operate in a range of 14 degrees Fahrenheit to 572 degrees Fahrenheit, so you can cook anything you want with it. Use this digital meat thermometer easily with its front-facing buttons. It's easy to store anywhere in your kitchen or grill using its flip-out stand and magnetic back. It is very convenient to use. What we like. This thermometer features a high-low temperature alarm to alert you when your grill's temperature exceeds your desired range. It also allows you to monitor 2 pieces of meat simultaneously. If you are looking for a thermometer with a clear display and alerts, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Very easily, at least for me, I didn't have to read anything to figure this out within seconds. Just goofing around with it, you can set the thermometer to go off by either timer or temperature. Nice. 2 probes, 2 sockets, 2 temperatures displayed, useful. Accurate and quick temperature reading. Loud and clear alarm when temperature rises to a set point, also, much rarer, when temperature drops to a set point. The probes, and the thermometer, can handle a wide range of temperatures, 500 F plus down to below freezing. The probes are thick and solid, long enough to go well into meat or a mixture. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.